こんにちは。
I'll help you master speaking Japanese even if you've struggled many times before. Speak confidently by taking small steps with meaningful practice. Let's ask for direction by using verb tefon. You learn the words on the street and how to ask for direction with culture tip. Let's walk around in Japanese. Next week, I'll host my free webinar about how to speak Japanese for beginners. I'll tell you more about it at the end of this video. First of all, let's check the words on the street. Repeat after me. 道、道、角、角、行く、行く、曲がる、曲がる、まっすぐ、まっすぐ、右、右、左、左。Now let's ask for direction. You're looking for Sanrio shop in the town. Let's ask. First, get attention. Yes, すみません. And say, サンリオショップはどこにありますか? Do you remember the expression from part 2 lesson 6? For example, if you want to find Sakura Koen, first say, すみません. Try. Yes. 桜公園はどこにありますか? Well done. Now you need to understand the direction. She says, この道をまっすぐ行ってください. The formula is object or direction, verb de form, ください. Repeat after me. この道をまっすぐ行ってください. この道をまっすぐ行ってください. Do you remember verb てください from part 8 lesson 2? それから and then あの角を右に曲がってください. Be careful here. Left and right require direction に because you need to change the direction to the left or right. Make sense? Repeat after me. あの角を右に曲がってください. あの角を右に曲がってください. Finally, the location sentence. 桜公園は左にあります. This is again the same sentence pattern from part 2 lesson 6. And you say, Yes, ありがとうございます. Now you can put many actions in the order in a sentence. Remember how? Yes, verb te form. Repeat after me. この道をまっすぐ行って、あの角を右に曲がってください. Excellent! By the way, can you also add the location sentence with te form? The answer is no, because the location is not an action in order. So complete the direction sentence first, then location sentence. Okay? Now, culture tip. Why verb てください is used for giving direction? In part 8 lesson 2, you learned it as asking someone to do something. Because the person giving the direction is not going there. She asks you to do so, not telling you to do so. Okay? Okay, today's summary, まとめ. The word on the street, remember? 道、角、行く、曲がる、まっすぐ、右 and 左. The formula is object or direction, verb te form, ください. Direction まっすぐ on its own, 右に and 左に. Giving a direction is actually asking for the action in Japanese. And you can put only actions in the order by using tephon. Now you can walk around in Japanese. Are you struggling to learn Japanese? I'm hosting a free webinar on March 6th on how to learn Japanese for beginners and for Japanese learners who feel stuck. You'll find out why most textbooks and apps don't work, and how you can quickly become a confident and fluent Japanese speaker. To secure your spot, register on www.araiacademy.com/how-to-speak-Japanese-for-beginners. The link is also in the description box below. See you there! In the next lesson, you'll learn how to get on a bus and train. Thank you very much for watching my lesson. I'd love to see you on another video. Bye for now!